Today's another day for toy photography. What's up, brothers? Let's begin. As always, we go on social media and Google to look for some inspiration. Now that we've got our inspiration, let's go outside and look for some sexy shoot locations. Now wear your most sexy adventure outfit, go outside and have some fun, brothers. Now that I have those locations in my head, it's time to draw out some sexy photo compositions. Wait, this is not what you think it is. It's just a guy with a hat. See? I told you. Okay, scratch that. Now some serious stuff. Don't mind my sketches, brothers. They're so horrible. If you want to see my real drawing skills, go to my art channel. The link is in my description. Now that we know what we're gonna shoot, let's grab our stuff and start shooting. For this shot, I decided to make it seem like Mr. Power Ranger over here is going to destroy my filter. Okay, brothers, here's the end result. For the next shot, I decided to use some fireworks. So we had to wait till nighttime, and then it was time for some crack-a-lack-a-jacking. Get it? Like firecrackers? Like, never mind. Okay, now that we got him all wired up, let's start shooting. Get it? Oh, there you go again with those lame-ass jokes, Grafinx. Here's the final reveal.